What's up, guys? Welcome to market recap of 10/16/2025. Today I was bearish going into the morning just because NQ was closer to previous day high while ES was a little far away, and on the higher time frame we are a little bearish, so it was just lining up. The confluences were lining up. But anyways, going into market open, I did want to see NQ push up towards previous day high and leave a SMT with ES since ES is a little further away. So I was just gonna wait for that until I took a trade. So going into market open, we do end up getting what I wanted to see here. Just zoom in a little bit. So yeah, here we go. So NQ ended up doing exactly what I thought it would. Push up, take previous day high, made a lower time frame SMT here, you can see, making ES the weaker asset. Once I saw that and this up close 5-minute candle get closed below, I did position myself into some shorts. And my drawn liquidity was really these London lows, but this candle here was a 2 a.m. candle, I believe. Had no bottom wick, so usually candles have wicks and they're usually a good target if they don't have wicks. So I was like, I'm gonna target that, and let's see how that played out. On the 1 minute, I was watching price on the 1 minute, and I did want to see this gap here get respected. And it was getting respected for a little bit, but we were just chopping around for about like 20 minutes. We finally got a push down there, pushed back up, then look, took the London low. See, took the London low, and from there we left my last target and started pushing straight back up. Once I saw that on the 5 minute, I saw that we were starting to. By the way, we also did, I mentioned that already, but we did leave this SMT here so you could see it more clearly with that same low. And we got the 5-minute change in delivery here. At this point, I got stopped out of my trade because I had trailed my stop like down here. So I took a small loss there. But once this 5-minute candle closed, let's see. I was on NQ. I did want to trade the stronger asset. So once this 5-minute candle closed, I was completely bullish and at least wanted to see a new high of day over here on NQ. So from there, I was just looking for a lower time frame confirmation, and this was it right here. I ended up trying this 1 minute long continuation model towards a new high of day, and I got absolutely railed. Like I said, but that was my second loss of the day. And then I really did want a new high of day. I was really confident with the new high of day, so I ended up trying one more trade, and it was just the inversion gap here. Let's just show it really quick. So once I got closed through, I was willing to take a long stop loss at this candle's low, which is a pretty tight stop. Here we go. I ended up getting tapped in right there. And boom, TP. That got me not break even. I'm still down a little bit, like $70, but it's not bad. I'll call it break even. And that was really it for the day for me. After that, we just ended up pushing way higher. Let's see what happens. I really did want to see, damn. At this point, I did want to see previous day high on ES if we were truly bullish, but I guess we still have the SMT up there. So now we're probably just going to keep pushing lower at this point, to be honest. Maybe towards the Asia lows or even previous day low. But yeah, we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if anything. That was the trade recap for today. And we do have this 4-hour range. Actually, I did want to mention this. This 4-hour candle range, we barely swept the high. So I think next we're probably going to push all the way down here. That's what I'm going to be targeting. I do want to see these candles get closed below on the 4-hour. And once we do get that, then I will certainly be heavily bearish. But until then, I'm still not completely bearish, but I'm bearish, you know. But once I see this, I'll be completely bearish. But thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Peace out.